welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this cute crochet rose keychain. And I use medium worsted yarn. The pattern's down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. And I used an F hook. If you're a beginner, I have a beginner's playlist for crochet stitches. And if this is too fast, you can place your video in slow motion, which is down below as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, in the magic ring, I'm going to create a chain 2. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, I wrap it around my fingers and then I insert my hook and grab the yarn. There is a link on how to do this down below. Then I'm going to create a chain 2. Counts as my first stitch. Then I'm going to create 11 half double crochet. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Continue until you have 12 altogether, including this chain 2. Then you're going to pull it closed with the tail. Pull it as tightly as you can, then go into the chain 2 and work a slip stitch. Grab the yarn and then pull through. You have 12 all together, so in each stitch around you're going to work 2 half double crochet in each stitch. And now you're going to, after your chain 2, you're going to go into the same stitch and work a half double crochet. That counts as 2. Then go into the next stitch and work 2 half double crochet, and then just repeat that around. Each stitch gets 2 half double crochet increase, and then you'll have a total of 24. So 2, 2, 2, all the way till you get to the beginning. And now you're going to slip stitch into the chain 2, and then you're going to chain 2. And then in the next stitch, you're going to work 2 half double crochet for an increase. Then work 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Then work 2, an increase. And then just repeat that around where you have 1, and then 2, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 until you get to the beginning. Okay, so you have the 2 half double crochet. Go into the chain 2 and slip stitch, and then chain 2, and then work a half double crochet in the next stitch. Then work 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. And then a half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then work 2 half double crochet. And then 1 in the next 2 stitches. And then you'll just repeat this around, and then 2 half double crochet. So you have 1, 2 in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 increase, and repeat that around. And now you're going to slip stitch, and then you can fasten off. So in any stitch you can pull your color change through and do a slip stitch. You have your slip stitch, chain 1. In the next stitch, create a slip stitch, grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull through, and then chain 1, and then just repeat slip stitch, chain 1, and go to the next stitch, slip stitch, and chain 1. Just repeat that until you get back to the beginning. You're going to work that all the way around until you get to the beginning. end to end, you're going to slip stitch, and then you can fasten off. It's going to look like this, and you're going to take your yarn needle and weave in your ends, and then disguise them with weaving them in 2 to 3 times. To get started for the star, you can do this in the magic ring, or I'm going to show you another way, which is a chain 4. And then you're going to slip stitch. That creates the ring there. And then chain 1, then work 15 double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's 1, you're going to create 15. Repeat that around until you have 15. Now you're going to slip stitch in the beginning stitch, and then you're going to chain 5, in the second chain, 1, 2, you're going to work a single crochet, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then work a half double crochet in the next chain, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, then double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then treble crochets, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then you are going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then slip stitch. And this is one part of the star point, and you're going to repeat that around. Second chain from the hook, create a single crochet, and then a half double crochet in the next chain, and then a double crochet, and then a treble crochet. Skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, slip stitch. It's going to look like this, and then you just repeat. Repeat that around until you get back to the beginning. So you're at the end here, slip stitch after you skip 2 and then pull through and then weave in all of your ends. Now you're going to take it and you're going to roll it, and then take some yarn, about a 1/2 foot, and you're going to tie it twice in the center. As tightly as you can, so it doesn't come unraveled. And you're going to cut those ends and then roll this over and bunch it up as much as you can to create the effect of a rose. Then take your hot glue gun and then take your star with the keychain on the center of the front of the star, not the back. Then you're going to take the star and place it around. And you could add more glue if you need to. And then bunch this up a little bit more, and it's going to look like this. And then you can add all of your keys. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet rose keychain. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe, and the pattern is down below. Thank you for watching.